Hey y'all, this is Southern Woods here. I'm out in the middle of nowhere with only Amazon's cheapest survival kit. Will I be able to survive with nothing but this? Let's find out. All right, so let's check out this cheap survival kit. Only $5 or maybe $6 on Amazon. It's the cheapest one I can find. Comes with some bubble wrap. Comes with a cardboard coating or backing. So I guess you could use that for fire starter. So it comes with this waterproof orange container, which is supposed to have a secure latch, but it seems very flimsy. There's no solid snap when you open it, or close it, I mean. Let's see what I get to survive with. Guys, we found food. Look at that. Muscadine. Found the vine. Comes with a small carabiner. And it looks like if you need to, you could unravel the rope ending. Nice. All right, time to check out the contents inside. These are so good. We're gonna survive now. We got food. The first item in this survival kit, and again, I have no idea what's in it. I just bought it, didn't look at the contents before. What is this? Looking at y'all. That guess we're about to find out together. I want to say some sort of padding, not padding, but cloth of sorts. A lot of trash. You're gonna be a litter bug using all this. Ooh, I wonder if you. Oh, is this a towel? Like a wet towel? It does become like a little rag or towel you can use. So if it's really hot out. No. Or, man, I don't want to come out all the way. I've been out here so long, I'm already delusional. The bugs are biting, but keeps you nice and cool in the summer. You always need a wet rag, I guess. A cool wet rag. Stretches out a good bit too. I'll go ahead and wear it around my neck. 4-inch See Me light stick. So a green glow stick essentially is what I'm assuming this be. Comes with more string. So we already got 2 sets of string coming with this pack. You could always use a lot of string. And okay, this is pretty self-explanatory. You just crack it, you got string. So when it gets a low light situation, I could use this to whatever, or of course to maybe get help when it's dark out. Wave it around, green stick. So that could be useful if I don't make it out of here today. Sorry, I'm hearing things. So I'm not gonna use this right now. That would be dumb, but just in case, we got it. So a couple strings, glow stick, wet towel. Let's see what else is in here. Compass, always handy, of course. Let's see which way is north. So north is behind me. So if I wanna get out here northwise, guess I gotta walk that way. Hey, compass always handy. And then finally, it looks like we got ourselves a survival blanket. One of these aluminum ones, or whatever. Comes with a little Ziploc bag too. That tore in half. So Ziploc bags, almost useless now. Yeah, I've never actually used one of these before. Obviously it's not much, but I can tell it does keep a little heat in. So all in all, this little $6 about kit on Amazon, the cheapest one that I could find, the UST, comes with this little carabiner, paracord, waterproof container, the emergency blanket, glow stick with more string, and compass. Nothing you can cut with, but you can store things. You can wave down, help. You can see where you're going, navigational wise. You got rope and you can stay warm. So I guess it does help with shelter, rescue, but in terms of fire starting, not really, I guess. I don't know. Is it worth the $6? Oh, and it came with this. What am I talking about? Yeah, maybe. I don't think this is gonna be the best savior kit that you can find, but there are some useful things in here. I'd give it a maybe 2.8 out of 5 star. If I were actually in a dire situation, I'd be kind of pissed with this kit. Yes, I could stay cool with the water. Yes, I could stay warm at night, hopefully, and everything, but there's a lot that I wish would be in here if I was in a survival situation. So that's my 2 cents about it. Let me know what y'all think about it. I will link it below in the video in case you want to buy it yourself. I mean, it is very small and compact, so it's pair that with like a little med kit, you might, you know, have something going on. But like me, I've been out here too long. Bugs are starting to get to me. Actually, the bugs aren't that bad today, thank God. Like if you like this video. There's an ant right here. Subscribe if you want to see more outdoor videos, faith-related content, or food reviews. Join the Southern Woods community. And if you want to be part of the secret society, we got membership link below. Some cool stuff that only community members get to see. Anyways, it's in my pants. I'll see y'all in the next one. Southern Woods out.